In a world striving for connectivity and transparency, the QVALE Way of servicing delivers that and more. Thank you for choosing our dealership for your service needs. Here is a breakdown of what to expect. First, whether you book your appointment over the phone or on our website, your appointment will be confirmed over text or email. Once you arrive, your advisor will complete a vehicle check-in, go over which services we will be performing, and point out any manufacturer recommendations. Everything will be documented with pictures and videos, and you will sign off before the vehicle goes into the service center.
Most of these dealers that we work around in the area don't get their customer connected to the service process like we do. And what I mean by that is when people come in for service, they have a service advisor that greets them and is prepared for their appointment, right? And then we have technicians that make a video every time their service is done on their vehicle and then what they recommend, which connects the customer to the service process. What are they buying? Why are they spending so much money? These things need to be explained, and if you get a technician, a factory-trained technician, to give them that video, then there's no question.
Your certified technician will then create a video walkaround of your vehicle, going over its condition. They will show you what service was completed and any recommendations they may find once they thoroughly examine your vehicle. Once they complete the Multipoint inspection report, your service advisor will send the video and inspection report so there is complete transparency of any service completed or recommended. The video and inspection report will be sent to you, and you can log into your virtual glovebox to approve or defer any recommendations that you see on the video and inspection report.
So if you want to approve work, or you don't want to approve work, if you want to defer work for a future date, you actually have the ability that you can do that. So there's a completely transparent process, but actually puts you in control of the entire decision-making on your vehicle. Right, so we have a thing here at Qvale Auto Group, which is we meet you there. So whether it's online, offline, or anywhere in between, we're going to meet you there for sales or service.
Once the repairs are complete, you will be notified that the vehicle is washed and ready to come home. You will be able to skip the line and pay online inside of the virtual glove box. Financing is also available for any unexpected repairs.
Everything is based around their experience, and it's the full transparency from the technician videos, the walk around with the client, giving them options to pay, giving them online bill pay options as well. It's very progressive, and it's very mainstream. It's not just extended to the clients, it's also extended to our associates. It's from the top down. Everybody knows what's expected out of them. There's no hidden surprises. I've built such a lasting relationship with them that not only are they trusting me with their vehicle, they're trusting me with their child's vehicle. Qvale is committed to constantly keeping our technology updated. We have the latest and greatest, the best, and we're always going to have the best. I see us being trendsetters. People are going to follow in our footsteps. People see that we wear our heart on our sleeves, and we respect them, and we want long-term relationships with them. And I think they feel that from a client's point of view.
Finally, you'll receive one last notification from us, ensuring that you're completely satisfied with your service experience and that we are a dealership that you can truly give a 5-star recommendation. Schedule your service with us today and experience the benefits of the Qvale Way with the Qvale Auto Group.